I'd like to say thank you to the court for getting us in early. We appreciate it.
No problem. Your name, ma'am?
Adriana Vegas.
Which one was it, John?
Yep.
All right. This is a drunk driving OWI. Does she stand mute and wait for formal
Yes,
reading?
Your Honor.
All right. I'm entering a not guilty plea for, is this a first offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Allegedly, what was the reference?
I believe it was the IBAC. I'm going to take 2-1. Don't hold me that, but I knew that was
She is 20, just turned 24, right?
correct.
All right. I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea. I'm signing your order for discovery. We'll set a pretrial date. I'm gonna give you a personal bond of $1,000. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. I'm gonna order the man that you not purchase, possess, or consume alcohol or illegal drugs, okay? I do want you going to ANA at least one time per week. You have to go in person. We're going to hand you a form. Every time you go, you have to have the form signed. And every time you come to court, you have to bring that form with you. Do you understand all that? All right. So what do you have for me, Heather?
It'll be February 18th at 9:30.
Is that good with you?
Thank you.
February 18th, you said at what time?
9:30.
9:30. Okay, that's what we'll do.
Thank you so much.
And you can, here, I'm gonna give her the form. You can just bear with me once. I'm gonna give her a copy of the, bond sheet. And, whoa. A mutilated copy of the bond sheet. Jeez. There you go, ma'am. You can approach and we'll hand you that. And,
It was a discovery order as well.
I signed that.
Thank you.
I did sign that, and you can go down the hall and they'll give you a copy of it, okay?
Thank you so much.
One other thing, let me just double check something. Yeah, we're all set.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Have a good day, thanks. All right, Audrey and Cusino, 25F245225. All right, good morning, Mr. Osmond.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jeff Osmond on behalf of Audrey Cugino.
Your name, ma'am?
Audrey Guzno.
All right, so your client pled guilty to operating while visibly impaired. She was referred for a screening and assessment. Any material additions, corrections, or deletions?
No, Your Honor, and I would indicate to the court that she does have her AA sheet here, which is, she's been attending.
Okay, and you've seen that?
Yes,
She's
sir.
been going at least once per week?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What else would you like to say?
Judge, I've spoken to her at great length about this incident. She takes it very seriously. She is going to do everything she can. She has this is totally out of character for her. No prior history with law enforcement or anything of that nature. Comes from a good family. And I'm sure we won't see her again back here.
All right, ma'am, is there anything you would like to say?
I would just like to say I'm very sorry and I fully learned my lesson from this.
Okay. All right, good enough. I don't usually only go 8 months, but she scored in category 1 on everything, so I'll go along with that. 8 months probation. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate any law or ordinance. If you change your address, your place of employment, or home telephone number, you must notify probation. You do have to report as directed. No alcohol, no illegal drugs, no marijuana. You can't go to any place that sells or dispenses alcohol. They're recommending bi-weekly testing. I'll go along with that, but I'll only make you test bi-weekly for 3 months. If you're clean, then I'll make it monthly, okay? Kratom, poppy seeds, and CBD oils are prohibited. Consuming food or other items containing those substances will be deemed a violation. Attend a level 2 alcohol education program and the Victims Impact Panel. That's one night put on by Mothers Against Drunk Drivers. 4 days jail, credit 1, serve 3. I'll let you serve those by way of community service. So 3 days community service, the 6 bets, 24 hours. And I'm gonna give you until March the 25th to complete that. So you got about 7 weeks, okay? So 24 hours community service, you may be eligible for early discharge. You're gonna pay fines of $300, costs of $300, 75 victims' rights fee, $50 justice assessment, 7.25 probation fees. $160 for a total of $885. You have a screening fee of $60 for $945 plus your cost of recovery. Everything included amounts to $1,170. Again, if there are no violations, you can apply for early discharge in 4 months. You have 21 days to appeal, 14 days to apply for a court-appointed lawyer for purposes of appeal. Do you understand all that?
Yeah, I understand.
Judge, I'm sorry, could I ask for, she'd asked me earlier, a family that she grew up with is going to Mexico from the 20th to the 26th and invited her to come with them if she could have permission to do that.
Yeah, these states, these countries, I don't know who in. I'll just say she can leave the state. I'm not saying she can go to Mexico. You need to double check, make sure there's no problems. I'm sure there's not.
Yeah,
But like Canada, you can't go into Canada.
Canada would be an issue, you're right.
You can leave the state between February the 20.
To the 26th?
I'll make it the 27th in case the flight gets delayed. How's that? Okay. And can she pay all this today or does she need time?
I can pay all this today.
All right. I wish you well, and then you'll meet with probation, okay?
Thank you.
Best of luck to you, man. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Mr. Osmond.
Yes, Your Honor.
Liliana Marie Vanderhoof, 26W8411598 and